Doesn't mean sorry na ka. It's all done. You poopy on your short pants, so no TV for you because you poopy in your short pants because you watch TV and then you forgot that you need to go to the bathroom to poop.
I'm so sorry, Mommy.
Truly. You're forgiven, but no TV because that's your discipline.
Mommy, sorry, Mommy.
Yes, I know. You're sorry.
TV ko. Kaya sorry man ko nimo.
No TV.
Sorry man ko nimo, Mommy.
It doesn't mean sorry na ka. It's all done. No. No TV for today because you poopy.
Mama, I want snacks.
You want snacks?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, you can get snacks but no TV because that's your punishment, okay?
Yes, Mommy. I want
Very good.
toy, Mommy.
You want toy?
Yes, kami ako toy, Mommy.
Mag-buy tomorrow ato tagay sa ng toy, ha? Stop crying. No.